the fashions, we can wear a jeans, but at the same time, we should also go visit our temple. At any given point of time in your life, guys, I've seen life at least better than you, a little bit age than you, so I've seen it. And never ever lose touch with your traditions. That is the first point all of you should remember. And the second and only other advice I want to give you is courage. Especially being women, you will have to face with a lot of troubles, lot of different situations you would have other than what men would have in their life. So at any point of time, in any situation, never let courage go of you, and you will be the winner. Whatever field you choose, wherever you will go, you will definitely be a winner. Do not lose touch with your traditions, nor lose your courage. Even if the work is on one side and you are on the other, and you believe whatever you're saying is right, say it with courage, say it with steel, and you will stand out. And I am there as a sister to be with you, to guide you if at all you need me anytime. But be strong, be courageous, be bold. God bless you all. Be very successful in life. Jai Telangana, Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring speech and advices, as well as the support you have told. Now to the most pleasant part of my happy task of this evening is prize distribution. I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Srimati Kavita Garu, to transfer the pleasure of distributing the most prestigious gold medals to the winner of academic excellence. Now I call upon Chitralekha onto the dais to receive the gold medal from our Honorable Chief Guest. She is receiving gold medal for standing as topper of the college for the academic year 2008-2009. Congratulations, Chitralekha. Now I call upon A. Shalini to come on to the dais to receive the gold medal. Shalini is receiving gold medal for being as topper of the academic year 2009-2010. Congratulations. May I now request our guest of honor, Srimati Satyavani Garu, to give equally important silver medals. Now I request Sriram Sravani to come on to the dais to receive the medal. Congratulations, Sravani. I request Shyam Sundar sir to present the medal to the student. I request Fareen Begum to come on to the dais to receive the medal. Congratulations. I request Revati to come on to the dais. I request Tripathi sir to give away the medal. Congratulations, Revati. Now I request Anusha Jain to come on to the dais. I request Tanuja, captain of throwball team, and her team members to come on to the dais.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
I request Kabaddi team to come on to the dais.
Thank you.
My greatest pleasure is to honor our guests of the evening. Presenting a small memento to such big celebrities is only a gesture. These small mementos hide behind them our deepest and sincerest feelings of gratitude and indebtedness. Please accept and crown the grand evening with a prodigious gratification and enormous elation. Now I request our esteemed President, Sri Shyam Sundar Gaud Garu, to present the memento to the chief guest of the evening. Now I request Chandrashikala Shankar Yadav Garu. Now I request Tripathi sir to give the memento to Subhash Nimkar Garu. Now I request Chandrasekhar sir to present the memento to Narayana Swami Garu. Now I request our renowned principal madam to give away memento to Shivamma garu. Bring this memorable function to a successful and grand finale. Thank you.
Hello! Swagatam, Suswagatam, Satriyakal, Vanakam, Vanakam, Vanakam. Anyway, welcome to the 14th annual day celebrations of Hindu Degree College.
The beginning is the start of a journey.
But today, this beginning marks the end of a journey of a year. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us enjoy this evening.
Hey Siri, once look at the crowd here. It's so colorful, la?
Yeah, it's completely filled with handsome and beautiful girls here.
Yeah, true, yeah. Now everyone get ready for a festival dhamaka.
Without any discounts, full-fledged entertainment.
అరే సిరి, నువ్వు ఎప్పుడైనా మా తెలంగాణ పండుగ చూసినావో లేదో? ఇప్పుడు చూపిస్తా, చూసుకో. అసలు కిరాక్గా ఉంటది.
అప్పచ్చా, నువ్వు ఎప్పుడైనా మా సంక్రాంతి సంబరం చూసావో లేదో? కేక్ ఉంటాయి. లెట్స్ వెల్కమ్ సాంబవి అండ్